The sky is still dark. The air feels colder before sunrise. The city is asleep, and the streets are quiet. Out here, the sea is already moving. The boat drifts slowly through the water. Fog surrounds everything. No voices, no signals, no rush, just hands working, repeating a rhythm learned over time. The sound of water replaces words. Waiting becomes part of the job, somewhere beyond the mist. The light begins to change. Another day starts quietly. Before anyone notices, the sea wakes before the city.